Hi guys, today's video is going to be a simple bronze get ready with me in the sun. So Huda released some new products and you already know that when she drops something new I need to get my hands on it as quick as possible. When it comes to setting powders, pound cake has been my holy grail for the longest time ever. So she released a new setting powder with a pink undertone. I've never tried a pink undertone, so I was super duper excited. When I put this powder on my face, that was literally love at first sight. That was me realizing I just found my new fave powder in the whole wide world. I then went in with her blush stick in Proud Pink. Guys, it's dewy, it's pink, it blends like a dream on top of powder. Look at my face. She can take all my money. Today we're going to get ready with me and some new goodies I grabbed from Space NK. Please tell me why I have never been there before. So I went for a very skin-like finish, but the coverage was also still there. Please look at this under eye. So you guys already know I'm obsessed with the Rare Beauty blush and highlight combo. My skin looks so healthy and plump, guys. I wanted quite a dewy finish, so I only set my under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. And then I found the lipstick of my dreams at Space NK. Catch me there every weekend, guys.